The phrase that gets me through hard days. Today we're practicing phrases for hard days. Repeat after me. This will pass. Bad days don't last forever. Tomorrow is a new day. I've survived hard days before. I just need to get through today. The phrase that helped me stop rushing everything. Today, we're practicing phrases about patience. Repeat after me. Good things take time. I'm not behind. Progress is still progress. I'm on my own path. It will happen when it's ready. The phrases that takes pressure off instantly. Today we're practicing phrases about letting go of perfection. Repeat after me. I don't have to be perfect. Good enough is enough. Mistakes help me learn. I'm doing my best. Nobody has it all figured out. When you feel guilty for taking a break. Today, we're practicing phrases about rest. Repeat after me. I need a break. It's okay to rest. I'm tired, and that's fine. Rest is not lazy. I'll try again tomorrow. When you say yes and immediately regret it. Today we're practicing saying no politely. Repeat after me. I'd love to, but I can't this time. That doesn't really work for me. I'm going to have to pass. Maybe another time? Thanks for thinking of me, though. Practice this before your next big decision. Today we're practicing phrases about self-trust. Repeat after me. I trust myself. I've done hard things before. I know what's best for me. I can figure this out. I believe in my choices. The phrases that de-escalate any awkward situation. Today, we're practicing handling a misunderstanding. Repeat after me. I think there might have been a misunderstanding. That's not quite what I meant. Let me explain. I can see how it came across that way, but my intention was different. Can we start over? I don't think I was clear. I really didn't mean to cause any confusion. Your request sounds like begging. That's why they say no. Today we're practicing asking for a deadline extension. Repeat after me. I wanted to check in about the deadline for this project. I'm making good progress, but I could use a couple more days to do it properly. Would it be possible to extend it until Friday? I'd rather deliver quality work than rush it. Thanks for considering it. Some people waste your time. You need to learn to walk away. Today, we're practicing ending conversations gracefully. Repeat after me. Anyway, I should let you go. I won't take up any more of your time. Let's wrap up here. I know you're busy. It was great chatting, but I've got to run. Let's pick this up another time. You burn bridges because you don't know how to exit gracefully. Today, we're practicing ending a professional relationship. Repeat after me. I've really enjoyed working with you, but I've decided to move on. This wasn't an easy decision, and I want you to know I'm grateful. I'd love to stay in touch and hopefully work together again in the future. Please feel free to reach out if there's anything I can help with during the transition. Thanks again for everything.